You know, I was never ever going to say anything about politics on my channel, but after hearing what was said at Madison Square Garden by Trump and his supporters, and what Michelle Obama said, her point about don't just sit there, do something. I had to do something. I had to chime in and give my opinion about this. For all the women out there who have daughters, who have nieces, who have cousins, all the females in your family, all the females that you love, all us older women, we're not going to be here a long time. And when we leave this earth, we want to leave our family members and friends with the same rights that we have. And for somebody to try and take that right away from you, I mean, who does Donald Trump think he is? He's not a God. He definitely is not my God. He's a human being. And for people to make those racist comments like they did, you know, I don't know why these white supremacists think that they're so much superior than any other people of color, than Asians, than blacks, than Hispanics. You know, when God made it, we are all God's children. God didn't make any race superior or any race inferior. And I know some of them may have been conditioned to believe that they're superior, but they're not. That's in their mind. The importance of your mind is what I was talking about in all of my videos. How people, the thoughts that go into your mind like a garden, what was planted in their mind in their early childhood and their conditioning was that they were superior. And that's the program that they're running on, that they're superior. And this is not for all Caucasians, because I know all of them don't feel this way. These are for the white supremacists who think that they're superior and everybody should be in their place and this country should be ours. That is not the case. This is God's country. This is God's land. And everybody should be able to enjoy. And for people who support a person, a human being like Donald Trump, what are you thinking? What kind of seeds that were planted in your mind? This man wants to take away rights of other human beings that he enjoys himself. Well, who does that? I'm going to make sure I vote for Kamala Harris and Tim Walz. I'm going to make sure I support as many people, get many people out to vote. This is why I'm making this message. That pissed me off to see this man sitting up here talking about an island of trash floating in the water. Really? For them to have the nerve to talk about people of color. You know, everybody else is other. But they are not gods. Donald Trump is not a God. We serve one God, no human beings. We don't want somebody in power who thinks like him. Kamala Harris is for everybody and she's inclusive. Donald Trump is exclusive. If you don't fit that mold, you're excluded. Who the hell does he think he is? He is not a God. He is a human being. He is a man. Stop being led by a human being. God is in charge, not humans. So I had to make a video talking about my support for Kamala Harris, and I hope you all go out and vote for her. We cannot have a person like that in power. He's a narcissistic lunatic. We need to get him out of, not even let him get in office. Donald Trump, you're fired.